Ooh, it's a rainy morning, but luckily so far it isn't as cold as it was supposed to be, so that's a good thing. It is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2018, and we are off to Animal Kingdom. You just stand there and don't move. We'll be back with you later.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay? So we're on our way, yeah. And our friends join too. 'Cause today's the day they all will join. It's great. We're really on our way, yeah. Don't you bet.
If you missed yesterday's vlog, I just wanted to once again show you this awesome street, and I'm putting that in like air quotations. I mean, it really does look like, you know, you're at French Quarter. It's just amazing.
K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse.
Donald Duck!
Mickey Mouse!
Donald Duck!
Forever will we hold our banner high. Now's the time to sing the song and join the jamboree. M-I-C. K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. You're singing like you're very shy. You don't want to be heard. We have here again to hear you.
Thank you for an informative ride.
Thank you.
Well, this is only the second time I've ever seen Devine out. Look closely, people. But she's there. I need to get under this. Looks like we won't be doing a lot of vlogging out today because my lens is already wet. So just FYI on that, people. And I forgot to mention that our bus driver, what was his name? Not Salvador.
Salvatore.
Salvatore.
From Buffalo.
From Buffalo.
One of 4 bus drivers at Disney World named Salvatore.
Anyway, he was, and I'm sorry I'm having to put this so close to my face, but I got to keep it under the umbrella. He was awesome. Shout out to him. He quizzed us. He made us sing. And he gave us informative tidbits about Disney transportation. So, good job, Salvatore. Got it right. Those are the kind of bus drivers that that Disney needs. I like this new style of hat. I always like this like vintagey, rustic looking thing. You need grumpy pants. Some mornings, every morning. What are you talking about? Yeah. Coffee makes morning. Nope, this is it. I don't do morning. Guys, I am not a morning person. You can probably tell that in the vlogs. Oh, those are cute. Are they on clearance? Why are they not on clearance yet? Okay, guys, we are in. It is so like rainy and cold and windy out there, but we're finally in, and we're gonna meet some safari characters. Oh my goodness, I love this juice. It's like a mango, orange, pineapple, passion fruit juice. Yum yum. Oh, isn't this room the coolest? So we have never ate breakfast here, but I've heard really good things about it. So we figured we'd go ahead and give it a try. Let's go. We have our gingerbread Tusker House. Well, he's trying to get himself situated.
Yeah, I don't know about these dang snaps on the side. You need to get one that's like this full.
Hey, this is what recyclable gets you. Alright, getting ready to go to the Navi River. It's our first fast pass. Okay guys, so we noticed something different about the Navi River, and that is the Mother Nature. I can't remember what she's actually called, but she's kind of like the queen and like Mother Nature type person. Anyway, there was a huge animatronic towards the end of her, and that animatronic is now gone, and they just have a projection screen, like a video screen, showing her. So I guess it broke, sadly. Ooh, been here a couple days, and this is the first time I've seen this cinch sack backpack. And it's right now, it's at Animal Kingdom. It's $22.99. Ooh, I kind of like that. It's got the Small World logo here. That's kind of cool. And that's what they're doing is Magic Kingdom. So the Tree of Life is Animal Kingdom, Spaceship Earth here, and then the Hollywood Studios. And they're using like a very shiny metallic silver thread. And the 2018 beach towel. Even has the monorail on it. That's a unique pattern. They don't have anything like this before. So a pattern inside this. And it's got the 2018. Oh yeah, we get this cool bus. We are back at the French Quarter and are happy to report that the beignets are a snack credit on the dining plan. So that is great. It has finally stopped raining. The sun has came out. It's still cold and it seems like it's windier. We're taking our snacks back to the room because we're soaking wet and we need to change. And we're going to take a nap before we need to go to Animal Kingdom for our dinner reservation. Oh, the wind! So you saw me include a picture of the winter special, which is the gingerbread. So the beignets are the same. You just get like a gingerbread sugar powder and then the regular powder. And we wanted like half and half. We wanted to try both since we haven't had them. So that's why we have 2 containers and then the 6. And you can get 3 or 6 beignets for 1 snack credit. We've left the room. We're all refreshed. And we're actually now headed to Animal Kingdom Lodge for dinner at Boma. Tom's actually never ate there before. I've only ate there once. And that was in 2015? No, 16. Nope, 15. That was when it was. I've decided. Officially decided.
I think it was 2014, don't you?
No, it wasn't 14.
Okay.
So we're driving. I had this totally perfectly planned. We were at Animal Kingdom today, and that is why I made dinner reservations at Animal Kingdom Lodge, because it'd be easy to hop onto the bus and go to Animal Kingdom Lodge. However, it was so rainy and cold, we were drenched, that we decided to come back to the room. Ooh, sun's in the way. Ooh, not a good shot. And just dry off, change clothes, rest a little bit. So now we have to drive to Animal Kingdom. So we're all up. This weekend is Run Disney, and I see that they have started getting the lights out, tents out. Lots of activity. Oh, look at that. There's another billboard for it.
Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse semi.
I wanted that sign. There we go. I'm like, here, I take the camera out so I can get a picture of this sign, and that semi gets in my way. I really do love their sign. It's a great sign. Okay, we're gonna have to tell them why we're here, so they'll let us through the gates. there was a wedding or gonna be a wedding. So evidently Boma doesn't open till 5. That's our reservation time because nobody's in there and the servers are just waiting. Alright, y'all hear that? That means Boma is opening.
So we're on the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feeling like we'll